Spotify just crashed worldwide and everyone lost their minds. For over 5 hours today, more than 48,000 users reported being unable to stream music on the app. Imagine being mid-workout or deep in your study session when suddenly your music cuts out completely. Users could only play songs they'd already downloaded, but searching for new tracks? Forget about it. The app would just time out with that annoying "something went wrong" message we all hate seeing. People were freaking out on social media, especially those whose gym routines and study sessions were completely derailed. Nothing ruins a good cardio session like sudden silence when you're in the zone. Spotify finally confirmed the outage started around 6:20 a.m. EDT and wasn't fixed until almost noon. They quickly shut down rumors about it being a security hack, but they've been super vague about what actually caused the massive disruption. With over 675 million users worldwide, this wasn't just a small glitch. It was a global music emergency. The company eventually posted on X, "All clear, thanks for your patience," but offered zero explanation for what went wrong. This is a stark reminder of how dependent we've become on streaming services. When Spotify goes down, millions of people suddenly can't access their music libraries. Next time your favorite app crashes, remember, you're not alone. There are literally tens of thousands of people experiencing the exact same frustration.